So here we are with all these vertices in place. Now, these faces are a little bit of an issue, because really these faces have to be subdivided also. We're trying to see if they'll do it for us here. Nope, that doesn't look like it worked. Let's see what happened. Yeah, that doesn't really work. Okay. Undo. If we go back to faces, undo. Maybe we're in trouble. Let's see. It won't undo it. Select none. Well, here's what I can do. Select that, delete, vertex, delete, vertex, delete, vertex, delete, vertex. Guess we can't undo a subdivision of a face. I don't know why that is. Doesn't make any sense to me. But we redo this face here. That means select these vertices. I keep confusing singular and plural here. Face. And then, actually, we do have a head start on this. We can do this. To clarify, I meant vertex singular, vertices plural. And this. And this. 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 And this. And now at least you get the picture of what I'm trying to do all around here. So, let's see what happens if I delete this face here. Delete. Face. Well, that might be the solution. Let's see. What happens if I delete this face? It's not the face I wanted to delete. Okay, delete this face. Faces. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, so undo. Apparently this undo feature doesn't work very well if you switch from face select to vertex select. I mean, I can fix this, but it's kind of a nuisance. I was unaware of that limitation in the program. Okay, so create a new edge here. I don't think it's in any of the instructions that limitation is there. I don't know if that's always been a problem. So we'll recreate the faces here. So the most efficient way of doing this, let's see, if I go to face select, delete this face. So we go back to vertex select. Can I do it? Yes, I can. So I found the solution. So I'll go around the whole can doing this. I'll skip ahead in the video. Okay, so that took a long time. It was actually... Take a look at the bottom view again. Yeah, it's not as bad as I thought it was. I was thinking that maybe this ring here of vertices should be further out. Actually, I think I am going to move them out. Now I'm thinking about it. So we'll select all of them. See, obviously I want to create more of a curvy base here. Curvy indentation, if you will. Okay, so that's closer to being halfway there, at least visually. I don't know how accurate that is. And, I was going to move it, but I think actually it's exactly what I wanted, I think. To make the curvature gradual, you know? Yeah, that's pretty much exactly what I wanted. I might even move this down slightly. Front. Okay, and then we will move all of this up to match that, up to be level with this edge here. So. Yeah, I mean, you could be very perfectionist if you wanted to be. You know, you could add some more vertices in here, curve this even more, but it might be a little bit too extreme. Yeah, see, without smoothing out the normals, you're always going to see these creases wherever you have an edge, or, yeah, basically wherever you have an edge. But if you look at the bottom of a can, it almost looks like this anyway, depending on the pattern of corrosion. Tell you what I'll do. I'll do one more ring there and then call it quits on this. Oh, this part of the project. Actually, we have to go back to edit mode, bottom view. This will have to be subdivided. Yeah, this will be a little bit tedious. I'll have to jump ahead in the video for this. But I should save my work first, just because this is pretty close to acceptable as is. So save, and now we'll go.